Critical support for XRP. We're going to talk about this. This is from the price action standpoint. So we've lost that 50 cent level. We've got obviously a tremendous amount of bearish sentiment in the overall crypto market. And that's really what's going on. This is not a specific XRP contagion scenario. There's nothing bad going on with XRP. This is a macro view of the crypto market pushing things down. And I'm going to tell you exactly what happened that was not XRP specific event, but that overall pushed the market back down. In case you didn't know, what happened on Wednesday, I'm going to tell you that in this video as well. So let's take a look at what is going on. So right now, I'm going to tell you what the next bearish kind of support level is in just a minute. But let's take a look at the overall movement of the price. We're at 46 cents as of the recording this video, down about 5%. And you can kind of look at the last 7 days. You can see this dramatic move down. Now, this dramatic move down right here that happened on the 19th, which was approximately, got to sneeze, which was approximately 48 hours ago, was not an XRP. This was not an XRP event. This was nothing that bad that happened with XRP. Was that on Wednesday we had two big events happen. We had a 16,000 Bitcoin sell-off that happened. It came through Binance. That was $467 million worth of Bitcoin. That spooked everybody. One single transaction. And additionally, at that almost coinciding with that, we had the CPI, the Consumer Price Index inflation report, came out for the UK, and it came in at 10%, which was hotter than expected. That scared everybody. Now inflation is back as a major storyline, unease issue, creating uncertainty. And that's what moved the market down. Not an XRP scenario catalyst, nothing bad going on with XRP. It was those two events that happened on Wednesday that gave us that little minor flash crash on Wednesday. And it's why we are down 2% in the overall market right now, 2.5. That's why we're down, and why we've been down in this 2% down in the overall crypto market. Our market capitalization for crypto moved from about 1,127 billion to 1,190 billion. So we've moved that down in the last 2 or 3 days. Now let's take a look at what the next support level to keep your eye on. But let's go back over to XRP right now. We are right here. We're at 46 cents. Okay. And so our next major support level is 43 cents. Okay, so keep that. That's your support level to keep an eye on, to just to see. And we're in a bearish cycle right now. I mean, there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt right now running rampant in the crypto market. You can see it, you can feel it, you can hear it. A lot of the news is bearish overall because of those two events that I told you about that happened earlier in the week. Not an XRP specific thing, just FYI. So that's what's going on. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money. On a silver lining note here, this is when you could step in and buy XRP at a 5% discount, or buy Bitcoin, or insert Solana, any in Polkadot, any crypto here. Everything's on a discount. All right, I'll see you. Have a good one.